Hello everybody! In this new lesson, you're going to learn 3 new kanji characters. This time, you're going to learn how to say tens in Japanese. To be precise, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's start with number 10. The symbol that looks like a Christian cross means 10, and its on reading is ju. It also has kun reading, which is read as to. It only has 2 strokes, but let's see how it's written again. Examples for this kanji are ju, which means 10, but it can also be said as to if you're using a general counter, and toka, which means 10th day in the calendar. But that's not it. You can also learn how to say numbers that are higher than 10. By following this formula, you can actually say whatever number you want, as long as it's more than 10 and less than 99. Numbers from 11 to 19 do not require a part, and the same analogy goes for the b part, if you say a number, for example, 20, 30, etc. Here are the examples. 21 is nijuichi, which is 2 times 10 plus 1, 21, and rokujukyu is 69. 6 times 10 plus 9. Pretty simple. Now it's time for 100. Yes, typo happened again in the intro, and I like it when it happens 2 times. This kanji is actually consisted of 2 simple kanjis. Actually, there is a 1 radical on the top. This kanji only has on reading, which is hyaku. Let's see the writing again. And there you have it. This kanji character is mostly used for numbers, hyaku, which is 100, and sanbyaku, for example, which is 300. I will explain why. To say numbers that are higher than 100, you can use this expanded formula. If the second digit is 0, ju part can be omitted. The same goes if your last digit is 0 too for b. And now for the examples. First we have a number 420, which is 420. And the other one is 666, 666. Hyaku can sometimes be byaku and pyaku depending on the situation. Most of the time, if you have small tsu behind the kanji that starts with H, it often turns into P sound. Now let's write the final one for 1000. This one has a ju radical and 1 additional stroke that is written in the beginning. Its own reading is sen, while the kun reading is chi. Let's view it one more time. Now the actual number 1000 is written with ichi kanji, and it's called isen. As for the kun reading example, here is Chiba, which is a Japanese city called Chiba. Once again, you can write numbers bigger than 1000 using this formula. And if the second and or third digit is 0, you can neglect hyaku and ju parts. These are final examples for today. First is hassen, which is 8000, and 2022 is nisen but you also have sanzen, which means 3000. The adventure with numbers is over for now. That's it, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons in the future. See you in the next kanji lesson video. Bye bye!